What's the meaning of ashamed? Ashamed. Ashamed.
Ashamed. Ashamed. The word ashamed refers to a feeling of embarrassment or guilt due to one's actions or circumstances. It is a negative emotion that arises from a sense of inadequacy or unworthiness. When a person feels ashamed, they may experience physical symptoms such as blushing, sweating, or avoiding eye contact. This emotion can be triggered by a variety of situations, including social awkwardness, mistakes, or moral transgressions. Overall, feeling ashamed can lead to a decrease in self-esteem and can be a barrier to personal growth and development.